Hi, welcome to Bit.ai, the world's most powerful wiki and document collaboration platform. In this video, we're going to teach you about adding web links and rich media to your Bit documents. In Bit, simply paste any URL of a web page, article, or rich media on a blank line. Bit will automatically display the web link content in the best visual way. If it's an article or website, it'll look like this. Hover over the content, and you'll see the three dots on the top left corner. You can click this to change the style of your visual web link. Clicking on Customize will help you edit the title and description. If you paste a YouTube link on a blank line, it'll automatically display as a video that plays inside of your document. Again, hovering on top of it will display three dots that will let you do more with your rich media embed. If you paste a Google spreadsheet shareable link, it will automatically display your spreadsheet within your Bit document. You could do the same thing with OneDrive PowerPoint presentations, Airtable links, Typeform links, and over 100+ popular applications where your digital content lives. Bit displays a visual link for nearly every type of web link you enter, will automatically make it look beautiful. For a full list of rich embeds, go to Bit's Help Center. Have fun bringing your team and clients into the future with Bit.ai. To learn more about Bit, go to our Bit Academy. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful wiki and document collaboration platform.